Ready to digitally disappear from the Microsoft universe? First, head to account Microsoft.com and sign into the Microsoft account you want to permanently delete. Make absolutely certain you are logged into the correct account, as this process is irreversible. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Your Info tab here. You'll want to click on Manage how you sign into Microsoft. This section is crucial for reviewing the email addresses and phone numbers associated with your account. Before proceeding, ensure all your security information is up to date. Add a recovery email and phone number that you can access. In case you need to verify your identity during the deletion process, or if you change your mind later, it's also a good idea to remove any old or unused security information. Now go back to your account dashboard. Look for the Close Account option. It's usually found in the Advanced Security settings or under Account Management. Click on it. A big warning will pop up. Pay close attention. Microsoft will clearly outline what you'll lose access to when enter files, Xbox games and purchases, Skype contacts, Outlook email, and any other Microsoft services linked to that account. Download anything important now. Microsoft will present a checklist of items you need to acknowledge. Read each one carefully, confirming that you understand the implications of deleting your account. Check each box to proceed. Next, you'll choose a waiting period, either 30 or 60 days. This is a grace period, giving you time to change your mind. If you don't log in during this period, your account will be permanently deleted. Finally, click the Mark Account for Closure button. You'll receive a confirmation email to your alternate email address. Keep this email for your records. Remember, your account isn't gone yet. Don't log in again, or the process will be canceled. See you later.